Welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this type of beanie hat. And before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Really need you guys support. And let's jump to the video now. For making this beanie hat, we need 40 chains. So let's make it 40 chains now. And this is the yarn. And I'm using 4.5 hook. Like this, in this way. 40 chains are ready here, and now let's make it single crochet. Like this, single crochet till the end of the row. Now first row is ready, and after that let's take one ear loop, one chain like this, and after that we are going to make it single crochet from the behind stitch, from the back of the stitch, from here, not the front one. We are going to make it single crochet from the back stitch. Again single crochet from the back stitch till the row, till the end of the row. Now second row is finished, and after that same thing, we are going to make it single crochet from the back of the stitch. And we need this pattern, we need these rows, 80 rows. So let's make it 80 rows. If you want to increase or decrease the size, you can manage your chain. For me, I am using 40 chains and 40 chains and 80 rows. 80 rows are ready here, and now let's fold this side like this. Then we are going to stitch here, over here. Insert the hook from the first stitch. Then take the yarn, this yarn, pull the yarn, then after that insert the hook from the inside of the stitch, from the both side. Then we are going to make it front loop stitch. like this. We are going to make it front loop stitch. You can see. Now we have finished this part, and after that we are going to stitch again this side. So let's make it. Let's stitch now. Same thing, we are going to make it front loop stitch. Now we have finished this part, you can see, and after that we are going to stitch over here and over here to make a shape of the beanie over here in the corner side. So now let's make it stitch with needle. Now it's ready. We have already stitched this corner side to make a shape of this head, and let's turn the side, and now you can see it's very simple and it's nice. And you can fold like this also if you want it, like this, or you can wear like this also. And this one I'm making for my son for his school uniform, so you can make it at home whatever you like, any color, so you can use any color and you can crochet it. And I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and really need you guys support. And see you in the next video. Bye.